Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a vintage Jonsered 625-2. Very popular firewood cutting saw and used for production cutting. Look at some of the features it has. Kill switch is on the left. Choke is on the right. It does have the operator presence lever. It won't throttle up unless your hand is in place. This lever needs to be pushed down and then you can trigger. As you pull the choke out, it trips the trigger so you don't have to. You'll hear a little click noise as it goes back down to an idle. Side load on your gas and oil reservoir. Rubber mounted vibration isolation, very nice feature. Working chain brake. Quiet tone muffler. 2 falling spikes, always a great feature. 24-inch bar and chain, sprocket nose, replaceable. Chisel bit skip sequence, square tooth, very popular saw, chain. Tensioner to loosen the 2 bar nuts up. Right on the inside is your tensioner. If you're looking for a Swedish saw, a very popular one for firewood cutting or production, here's a vintage Jonsered 625.